Hey guys, I want to give y'all an update on the weather conditions down here in South Louisiana. It's January 21st around lunchtime. I'm not working today, and I think you can see why. It's snowing. You heard right, it's actually snowing in Louisiana. It's been about 60 or so years since the last snowfall this much. Now the snow finally is backing off, so let's see how much snow we got today. Oh yeah, 9 inches of snow. I think it's time I get my butt back inside where it's nice and toasty inside my house while I still have power. But at least with this snow, we get to see a beautiful scenery rarely seen ever in Louisiana. Now the record was set back in 1895 at 14 inches. So now I'm going to take a walk around my yard and show y'all just how much snow has fallen. Now that y'all see my front yard, here's my backyard. There's the bed for my OBS. And yeah, I have a lot of snow drift on the roof. You can even see the steps. And as I walk closer, look how deep it is here. It's to my knee. Oh yeah, it's deep. I gotta be super careful, because that's 3 feet of overhang off my carport, and it's actually bending it. I'm scared it's gonna break soon, so I'm not walking under it anytime soon. Here's the Dodge I'm working on. One of only 8 trucks made that year, as in single digit. So I gotta take care of this one. I think that's a lot of snow. For Louisiana that doesn't know what snow is, that's a good bit. I've only seen that much snow in 2 other places. Nashville, when I was up there in trade school, and Indiana, when I was up there when my dad had surgery. I don't think I'm getting that out anytime soon. But at least y'all get to see what Louisiana looks like on a Tuesday in January, when it's 35 degrees and the temperature is going to be dropping 20 more degrees soon. Everybody's having fun and then going back inside staying warm, which is what I'm doing. See y'all later. Stay warm.